What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I'm going to be bringing you guys an unboxing video today. I got a new food sealer, one of those vacuum sealer machines made by a company called Avalon Bay. Super nice. These things are great to preserve your food and to portion it. If you're doing macros, you don't have to carry all the Tupperwares. You can actually make your own TV dinners. You can actually just put the food in, weigh it, put it in the vacuum sealer, seal it, and then just microwave it whenever you're going to eat it, or put it in hot water. It's a great way to make things more practical rather than carrying a million Tupperwares, and they also fit in your freezer. I'm going to show you guys a couple of little tricks that you can do with this, and we're going to unbox this item. So let's get right to it. I actually used to have one of these when they first came out. Not this brand, but I used to have one of these vacuum sealers many years ago. And when I moved, I lost it and I missed it because it was so practical. Like I said, I actually used to take like my fruits and stuff and vegetables that I could get from the garden. I would be able to save them in the freezer forever after you take the air out. Wow, this is beautiful. It's actually like a stainless steel finish. Like a brushed stainless steel, really elegant looking. I mean, this would fit nice in any kitchen that got stainless steel appliances. It looks super nice. It's got different functions here. Let me bring you guys in a little bit. See if I can get a better view. So it's got different functions. This is vacuum seal, the speed, food. I guess you could do canisters, and you could also do pulse vacuum seal, like a little bit at a time. And then you got seal only if you're not gonna do vacuum seal. So it's got quite a few options. You can see here. Wow, it's really nice. So you just put the bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try for you guys. We'll bring you back out. And I got some herbs here. So you can see, I always keep my herbs. These are actually from my garden, and they get all nasty and mushy when you keep them in a Ziploc bag. One of the things I hate is herbs like this that are seasonal. We can only get them in the winter. Once the winter's over, then I gotta use everything or they're gone, because normally I can't freeze them in a bag like that. With the air, it goes bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these bags here, see if we can vacuum seal it. Give this a test run. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to vacuum seal this parsley here. Place it all deep in the bag. Just like that. I'm gonna put it in. Make sure both sides click. It's locked in. There we go. Wow. Really did an amazing job. Now I gotta wait till that red light goes off before I can pull it out. Gotta wait a few seconds. There we go. Red light is off, indicator. Oh. And there it is. Sealed nice and tight. I can save it. Let me try. Okay, so now we're gonna try a couple of drumsticks. It's chicken. We got about 2 servings here. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. We're gonna place it in the channel, the vacuum channel. All right. And with chicken, you just gotta be careful that you don't handle the chicken with your hands and then touch the machine, so then it gets in your food. So make sure that you get the chicken inside the bag before you go touching any of this, use some tongs or whatever, because if you get the raw chicken all over your machine on the inside, then you're going to contaminate whatever food you're using later. So now we're just going to make sure that it's locked down. We got the same setting, moist, food, and then it's low speed. So let's see how this works for our chicken. There we go. Wow, it's actually really amazing. It took all that air out. Now I gotta wait. There we go. Lights off. And there's our chicken. Perfectly sealed. All the air is out of it. Now we can use it. Put it aside. You can marinate this and put a ton of flavoring in it. Freeze it, and then when you're ready to make your meal, you know, you got your portions marinated, full of flavor, ready to go. I mean, there's so much you could do with this idea. I love it. I'm going to be using it a lot for future videos. I'm going to show you guys how to do the smoothies, how to break it up into servings, and you can set them aside. You can put all of your ingredients. You know, if you want to weigh them out, if you're counting your macros, you can weigh them out, put them in the bag. Put your protein powder, your veggies or your fruit, whatever else you're going to put in it, and then put it in the freezer, and you got it ready to go. You got to do is throw it in the blender. So it's a great tool to use. Also, if you're doing food prep, this is way better, in my opinion, than having a million Tupperwares laying around. This, you could just put your rice and your chicken and your veggies, cook it up, and then weigh it, portion it, put it in one of these bags, vacuum seal it. You could fit like 50 meals in your freezer instead of having like a million Tupperwares laying around and they get stinky and nasty. This you throw in the microwave, you cook your meal, and you're done. You know, so much easier, in my opinion. I've done that for years. Really good for your food preppers. You can make your own homemade TV dinners, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video about the Avalon. This is a really great product. I think I'm going to really enjoy it for future videos. I'm going to show you guys a whole bunch of tricks and tips on how to use it and different things you can do to make your life easier. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys really soon on the next one.